What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have an unboxing for you of a power recliner from HT Market. This is known as the HT Design Addison, and I'm excited about this one. When HT Market reached out to me and asked me if I would review this home theater chair, I looked at their website and I was pleasantly surprised. Not only do they sell power recliners like this in different colors, leathers, different configurations, they also sell accessories, which they sent a few here in this box, including tray tables, tablet holders, that type of thing. But they also sell all types of home theater furniture. They sell carpet for your home theater. They sell popcorn machines, marquees. They sell frames for your posters. They basically sell all types of different really cool home theater stuff to make your home theater your own. And honestly, I was like, man, I should probably shop here a little bit. So I was pretty excited about it, but honestly, I wanted to kind of see what they have to offer in this unboxing before I started purchasing things. So let's go ahead, let's talk about this box, how it got here, and then I'll go ahead and unbox it. Okay, so since this is an unboxing video, let's talk shipping details, because I think they're pretty important in this video. So definitely want to make sure you watch this part. First and foremost, this is a single recliner. It ships via freight on a pallet. Now, my shipping company reached out to me a day or two before the delivery to actually schedule it to make sure I was at home. So that was quite nice. I can't guarantee that your company will do that, but you will need to be at home. The next thing you need to know is you need somebody with you when this is delivered to bring it into your house. This weighs 150 pounds and the box is pretty big, so it does take 2 people. Now, I was able to bring this up the stairs with the help of another person, and it wasn't that bad for 2 people. The box itself, in its smallest dimension, is just over 30 inches in depth. And honestly, that fits through a standard doorway, but it is extremely tight. Now, one of the things I found when trying to bring it into this room was that the door doesn't open wide enough for me to push it into the room. So I had to take the door off just to get the box in the room. Now, if I wasn't doing an unboxing video, I probably would have just unboxed it in the hall. But that's just something I thought I should mention just in case you're planning to bring it in. You need to make sure you measure your doors and know how much clearance you have to, again, bring this in the house, especially if you have help, 2 people trying to bring it in. The other thing I should mention is I got the chair from the freight company, but the accessories arrive via UPS like a day later. So if you buy a chair, you might get your accessories on a separate shipment. So if the delivery driver says that they don't have it, you can definitely call HT Market and make sure they ship the accessories, but don't be surprised if they do ship separately. So I just thought I'd bring those up because I think they're actually pretty important details. Now, I want to go ahead and I want to unbox this stuff. Honestly, I want to see the accessories, but I really want to look at this chair. So let's go ahead and let's unbox the chair. Okay, so that feels good. I just finished the unboxing. I plugged it in back there. The good news is it's got a nice long cord. I haven't measured it yet. I'll measure that for the full review, but it's got a nice long cord, so it's plugged in back there. It's got 2 cup holders, one on each side. It's got a pair of holes here so you can mount the included accessories. I'm going to unbox the accessories right here in my lap because, hey, why not? You've got a button here for power recline, which, yeah, I guess that works. This is my first time trying it. The seat cushions themselves are nice and they're medium firmness, I guess I should say. They're not too hard, so I feel like I'm, not comfortable, but at the same time, I don't feel like I'm going to sink through the floor because they're so soft. The headrest as well feels nice. I don't think the headrest does any power recline, but it does feel nice and comfortable. I could definitely sit here and watch a movie. The microfiber cloth here feels nice and warm and kind of soft to the touch, so that's really nice. It's also got 2 pockets for your gear, like your remotes, and man, these are deeper than I thought they were. They go pretty deep in there, and I might measure that for the review as well. About an arm's length all the way down to my elbow, so that's actually a pretty deep pocket, so you can put remotes and books or anything like that. You could probably even put the tray table in there. I'm not sure, I haven't tried it yet. But speaking of the tray table, let's go ahead and let's close this and let's sit down and let's unbox the accessories, see what we got in the box. So this looks like some sort of tablet holder. Yep, tablet holder. Wine glass holder. Some sort of cool throw blanket. Interesting. Comes in a nice little bag with a handle. Tray table.
The Addison from HT Design comes in several different configurations, from a single chair, which I have here, to a row of 6 triple love seat. It also has 2 material options, microfiber black, which I have, and red or black leather. The microfiber starts at $6.99, while the leather options start at $7.99. They all feature a wall hugger design with only a 4-inch gap needed to recline, stainless steel cup holders, power recline, a USB charging port, in-arm storage, an accessory port, and many others.
So there you have it, the Addison from HT Design. This is a very comfortable chair, and honestly, this is one of the better unboxings that I get to do. I mean, unboxing a chair and being able to sit and relax in it like this, it's quite nice, I'm not gonna lie. But I will be doing a full review of this one. I'll be answering those questions that you have, like, do the cup holders work? How many remotes can you put in here, along the bottom? Can you put the tray table in here? That's actually a good question. I'll have to try that out. I'll be plugging in a USB port to see if you can charge your iPad while you're watching a movie. I'll obviously do the all-important nap test just to make sure it's nice and comfortable if you need to take a nap. I'll be doing all of those things. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I will try to address them in the full review. That'll be out in about a week or so, so definitely subscribe and also like this video so you can find out more whenever we release videos like these. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you next time.